Test, mic, test. Calling all players, please come. Calling all players. Can you start? Sorry.
Lalo ka na.
Mic test, mic test. Mic test. Ito, mas malakas to. Good morning everyone. Sorry na medyo late tayo. Welcome to our VMS Family Day. Medyo natanggal. Okay, so before we start, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our sponsor for our Family Day, Mr. Virgil Senense of VMS Detailing. So if you need anything, those are the services: paint protection, different types, car wrapping, windows tinting, car detailing. Please contact Mr. Virgil Senense. All the details are there, okay? Now, nagpalista na ba lahat dito? Nagpalista na lahat sa listahan? Okay, so ang mauuna is Riri. Yung mga bola, dali natin yung mga bola doon. Bola.
Hindi na ako mag-support.
Okay, so ito yung ating mechanics.
Sunat mo ako ah.
Hello. Ito yung ating mechanics. So meron tayong limang place kung saan kayo mag-shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 10 bola, 2 bola per position. Saan yung mga bola natin? Pakilapit ng mga bola.
Pili kayo, pili.
Nasaan yung money ball natin? Yung ating official ball, please. Yung official ball nandun. Okay, Riri, saan mo gustong ipwesto yung money ball? Doon. Okay. Dito ka lagay. Sige, lagay mo dito. Yung ibang bola para tulong-tulong na lang. Okay, so 10 bola. Yung 9 na bola is worth 1 point each. So 9 points yun. Yung money ball is worth 2 points. So total pag na-shoot nyo lahat is 11 points, okay? Wala pa rin pa yung pwede pakiusap na lang tayo. Nakakabit yung pa. Kasi may 1 minute dapat eh. Okay, so ito muna, testing. At yung ibang bola, nasaan? Nasaan bola? Nasaan yung ibang bola? Saan mo gusto mag-start?
Natubig ito.
Okay, so may brown out. Ito muna, testing muna. So you have 24 seconds. One ball per position, okay? Testing muna to, 24 seconds. 1 ball per position. Hindi pa counted to, ha? Nasaan yung ating score sheet? Okay, kuha yung score sheet doon, Kevin. Okay, sabi ko kung mag-start na, ha?
Dito, yeah.
Testing, 24 seconds. Hindi, testing nga lang eh, para practice mo. Practice lang yun. Okay. I will say one. The clock will start in 3, 2, 1. Next ka na. Hindi, tigisa ka lang. Practice lang yan practice. Next. 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Okay, game na ito. Ako na. Sino may... Sino may... Pwede pa kita timeran? 1 minute? Ay, dito. 1 minute? Top, ayun countdown. 1 minute. Okay. Time start in, okay na? 3, 2, 1. 1 point. Wala pa, 1 point. Money ball. Wala. 35 seconds. 2 points. Ay, may isa pala. May isa pa. 3 points. 3 points for Mr. Riri Rotakyo. Okay, next in line. Sino next in line? Ortiz. Brian. Hindi. Points lang. Kasi 1 minute. Akala ko time. Hindi, yung top papasok na next. Okay, so 24 seconds. Ay, sino? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Tig-isang bola lang. Sige. 18 seconds. 15 seconds. Wala yan wala. Practice lang yan. Titingnan natin. Dapat kalahati kung kumpleto kaso hindi kayo kumpleto Dapat kung 16, 8 ang papasok. Okay, next. Diretso na lang practice? Okay, kayo, bahala kayo. Okay, next. Actual na. Saan ang money ball? Saan mo gusto ilagay ang money ball? Saan? Doon? Dito? Okay na, okay. Okay, let's get ready. Time starts in 3, 2, 1. 1 point. Third position, money ball worth 2 points. Wala. Wala pa rin. Fourth position, wala. Fifth position, 1 point. 2 points. Total of 3 points for Ortiz. Anim ang mata. Okay, so tabla. Okay, let's get ready. In 3, 2, 1, go! $50 seconds. 45 seconds. Wala ang money ball. No. Wala pa. Last two balls. Last ball. Oh. Sayang. Malamig, malamig pa. Okay, next in line, Mr. Anthony. Anthony. Dali, dali. Gumagana na itong ano natin. Gumagana na. Dali, dali.
Ayan na.
Okay, ready na? Time starts in 3, 2, 1. Tingin lang sa scoreboard. Tingin lang sa scoreboard.
Tingin sa clock, tingin sa clock.
25 seconds. Ilan siya? Ilan? 4 points. 4 points for Mr. Abulok.
Pag sa laro, hindi niya ginagawa.
Get ready, next shooter. Ay. Okay, ready na? Time starts in 3, 2, 1. One point. Wala. Money ball worth 2 points. Pasok 2 points. One point. Next, last two. 22 seconds. Paano naman? Sinong kasunod? Oh, ikaw na ba, Kevin? Ikaw na? Okay. So far, meron kayong dalawa yung 4 points, dalawa yung 3 points, okay? Kung may bagong dating, magpalista na kayo. Okay, time starts in 3, 2, 1, go! One point. Wala. Money ball, 2 points. Pag pumasok, wala. One point. Last 2 balls. Wala. 20 seconds. Wala. Ilan yun? Next player. Ha? Kagudwa. Okay, get ready. Time starts in 3, 2, 1, go! Wala pa so far, 1 point. Money ball worth 2 points. Pasok, 2 points yun. Wala. Pasok. Wala. Pasok. Pasok. Ilan yun? Ha? 5 points. Siya ba ang leading? Okay, next player. Alright, get ready. Time starts in 3, 2, 1, go! One point. Two points. Volleyball worth 2 points. Wala. Wala. Patay yung butiki. Wala. Magkailan? 2 points. Okay, next player, get ready. Ha? Tapos na ba?
Ilan ang papasok?
14, di kalahati.
7.
Alright, get ready. Mr. Derek Villares, Gilas Legends. Time starts in 3, 2, 1, go! One point. 2 points. Money ball. Wala.
Sali, unang sasali pa. 3 points.
1 point. Wala. Last 2. That's it. Wow, how many points? 2 points. Okay, next player.
3 points.
Next, Mr. Alan Almacen from Panyero. All right, get ready. Time starts in 3, 2, 1, go. One point. Wala. Huwag muna kayo maway, meron tayong awarding.
Moneyball.
Moneyball 2 points. One point. Uy, patay yung butiki. 1 point. Total. 5 points. Next player. Get ready. Sinong next player? Sino ang next player? Kevin. Sinong next player? Ian, nasa si Ian. Okay. Si Arnold na ba? Arnold. Mr. Arnold, nanalo siya kahapon sa Skills Challenge. Point cook. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. 1 point. Wala. Wala pa rin. Next. 37 seconds. Money ball. One point. Wala. Wala. Last 2 balls. Last ball. Wala. 2 points in total. Next player, please. Next player, please. Para makaano tayo. Oh, Ian. Okay. Okay, time starts. Ian Del Mundo from VMS. Get ready. Time starts in 3, 2, 1. Wala. Cut off na yan, ha? Wala. Okay. 1 point pag pumasok. 1 point. Money ball worth 2 points. Oh! Pumasok yung money ball. Next. Wala, last 2 balls. 16 seconds. Wala, last ball. Pasok! Sino pa? Nakalaro na lahat? Meron pa ba?
Lima.
Ha? Sid! Oo nga, sabihin mo ba? Ay, mali.
Wala na, last na yan. Last na ba yan?
Get ready. Okay, Mr. Sid from Amy. Time starts in 3, 2, 1, go! Wala pa rin pumapasok. 1 point. Money ball worth 2 points. Wala. Pasok, 1 point. Wala pa rin. Last two. Last ball. Pasok. Ilan? 2 points. Next player. Okay, get ready. Sino yan? Si Francis from Paniero. Time starts in 3, 2, 1. Next 2. Tapos wala, money ball worth 2 points. Tapos 1 point. 2 points. Last ball. 3 points. Next player. Get ready. Mr. Mark. Si Ashley pala, Kalusa. Time starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Wala. Wala pa rin. Money ball, 2 points. Wala. Take your time. Last 4 balls. Wala. Last 2 balls. Wala. Last ball. 1 point. Okay, next player. Mr. Mark, time starts. Mr. Mark Paniero. Time starts in 3, 2, 2, 1, go! 1 point. 2 points. Money ball. 2 points yan. Wala. Last 4, last 4. Wala. Wala. Hello, hello. Wala. Wala. 2 points. Sino pa? Sino yun nandyan? Okay, si Mr. Carlito of Invest League. Time starts in 3, 2, 1, go! One point. 2 points. 3 points. Money ball. 5 points. 6 points. Last two. Pasok. That's it. Meron pa ba? Sino pa? Si Mr. Ike. Dali. Get ready in 3. Mr. Ike of BMS. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, isang kamay ah. Hello. Last 4 balls. Ay, patay butike. Ilan? 4 points. Sino yan? Ay, wala pa, Albert. Albert, wala pa. Hey, wala pa. Okay, get ready in 3, 2, 1. Mr. Albert, go! Mr. Albert of Mighty Finance. Hindi pa umiinit. Malamig pa. 1 point. Last 4 balls. Wala. Last 2 balls. That's it. Ano pa ba? Oh, last na. Mr. Easy Nadat of Amy. Get ready in 3, 2, 1, go! Patay butike. Wala. Wala pa rin. Malamig pa. Wala. And 1 point. All right. Alright, tapos na yung first round natin. Sino-sino mga nakapasok? Check mo, para alam ko. Sige, check mo kung sino. Ilagay mo. Sobrang 11. Okay, 11 yung pumasok sa ating second round. Okay, Riri, pumasok. Mr. Riri, get ready, Mr. Riri. Mr. Ortiz, nakapasok. Anthony, Roncesvalles, Gerald, Alan, Ian, Francis, Cruz, Ike. 11, so restart na natin. Final round. Tapos
sino pinakamarami? Mas Taiwan siya.
yung dalawang pinakamataas. Dalawang pinakamataas papasok sa finals. Okay. Riri, Mr. Riri. 3, 2, 1, go! Wala pa rin. Pasok. 1 point. Money ball. Wala. 1 point. 2 points. Ano? Wala. Score 3 points. Next. Time starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Mr. Ortiz. Get ready yung kasunod. 1 point. Wala. Money ball ba yan? Money ball? Wala. Pasok. 2 points. Wala. Last 2. Wala. Last ball. Wala. Total 2 points. Next. Mr. Anthony. 3, 2, 1, go. You're right. 1 point. Money ball. Wala. Wala. One point. Wala. Total 2 points. Next. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Wala. Next. Money ball, wala. Next. Get ready, next player. Wala. Pasok. Pasok. Next. Total. 2 points. 0 points. 1 point pala. Sige, next. Mr. Gerald Diao of Triple R in Essence. 3, 2, 1, go! 1 point. Wala. 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 Pasok. Pasok. Last ball. Pasok. Next player, please. Oops. Next. Sino? Oh, Ike, Mr. Ike, ready. 1, 3, 2, 1, go! Pasok. Wala. Pasok. Money ball. Wala. Pwede ano? Namaos na ako. Namaos na ako. Pwede ako na.
Kuya Ike, one hand. Last ball. No good. 3 points.
Okay, next player.
Alan. Alright, Alan from
Okay, balik.
Panyero.
Dali. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
First shot good. Second rack, 0. Money ball. Third rack, 0. Fourth rack, 2 points. Total of 3. 4 points now. Last ball.
Get ready, next player.
4 points in total. Ian Del Mundo.
Mr. Ian Nitro.
Eto na.
Timer starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
First rack, 1 point. 2 points. Going to the third rack now.
Albert.
3 points. Money ball.
Kami lagi.
Going to the fifth rack. Last ball. 3 points. Next one up.
Get ready, next player.
Francis.
Francis M. Dali.
Francis from Pañero. Timer po.
Okay, ready in 3, 2, 1, go! 1 point.
Good start. Going to the third rack. Moneyball, that one. Yep, 2 points if you make it.
Okay, I'll feel it.
Magpapasa ka.
For the fourth pip rock, first throw no good. The second throw, no good. 2 points. The score of Mr. Francis Van Beveren.
Alright, dali.
It's the Gilas legend, Mr.
Gilas Legends. Ready in 3, 2, 1,
Go. First throw no good. Second throw no good. Second throw. First throw no good. The second throw no good again. For the third drop, the 1 ball no good. The money ball no good. For the fourth drop, first throw. The second throw no good. For the pip rock, for the first round pip rock, no good. For the 1 point. Tapos na pare.
Okay, next player.
Nakaunang
Mr. Carl.
player, last shooter of the game.
Get ready. Mr. Carl of Investing. 3, 2, 1, go.
First draw, no good. Second, no good again. Second draw, 1 point. 1 point po. First draw, 2 points. Money ball. Uy, lumuha. Fourth draw, first draw, no good. No good again for the pip rock. First draw. Pasok ang first draw niya. Back, no good for the second draw. His point is 3 points.
Okay, sino mga pumasok?
Saka si Kuya Alan.
Anong score?
4-4.
Okay, so for this round, tabla po si Mr. Gerald Biao and Mr. Alan Almacen. They will go to the final round to determine who will become our very first 3-point champion. Courtesy of our sponsor, Mr. Virgil Meneses of BMS Detailing. Get ready in 3,
Ready?
2, 1, go!
First draw, no good. Second draw, no good. Second rock, first draw. Second draw, no good both. First draw, no good. Money ball. Uy, pasok.
Pasok.
2 points. First draw sa fourth track, no good. Second draw, no good. Pip rock, no good.
Last ball.
Last ball po. Uy.
Okay, what's the score?
Money ball, 2 points.
Ano score natin?
2 points lang po.
2 points.
Money ball.
Okay. Next up, Mr. Alan Almacen.
Mr.
Pañero.
Almacen.
Van Rentals.
Wait. Kaya po.
Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
First draw, no good. Second draw, pasok. May 1 point na po si Mr. Almacen. First throw, no good. Second throw for the second rock, no good. Yeah, third rock. Dalawa na.
Money ball.
Yeah, money ball. Back. Oy, sayang. Kailangan niya mamapasok yung last 4 ball. For the fourth rock, first ball, no good. Second throw. Back, no good. Sayang.
15 seconds.
Last
15
two.
seconds.
15 seconds. Shot clock. Pasok. All to sila. Last ball. Wow!
Okay, so we will have a shootout. One shot, any place, kahit saan sa court, any place.
One shot daw po.
Isa lang, isang bola. Get ready.
Kahit saan daw po pumesto, kayo po ang bahalang mamili.
Wala na oras siya, wala na oras.
Oh. Hindi po, sa 3 points, sa 3 points. Yan.
Doon daw.
Layup daw po, fade away layup.
Pakitingin, baka umabak sa linya.
Yan po, pasuyo na lang po sa line.
Okay,
Kasi
take your time.
pag lumampas, forfeited na po yan. Take your time.
Mr. Alan.
Mr. Almacen, tumira. Uy!
Wala, may chance pa.
Side bet. First draw ng Triple R.
Uy, hanap.
Yang.
Mr. Alan.
Tumira uli.
Wala pa rin.
Lipat. Hindi hiyang. Lipat. Yun. First draw.
Pasok. Kailangan may pasok yan.
Pasok din. First draw.
Pasok. Kailangan mapasok. Okay. And we have a champion. From Triple R in essence, Mr. Gerard Biao. We would like to call all the participants, please, in front.
Winner of 3-point shootout.
Tawagin natin sila lahat.
Yan, 3 points.
Mr. We would like to call the presence of Mr. Virgil Sinense.
Sir.
Ito po, sir.
He will award the winner of 3-point shootout.
We would like to award the medals for all the participants.
Oy, Lucky.
We will all the participants of 3-point shootout, please come here forward. Then we will have some award.
Oy, lahat po na
All
nag-participate
the
sa 3-point
participants of 3-point shootouts, please come forward. Please.
Para sa photo op, tapos mabilisan kasi sunod All-Star, halftime show, and then quarterfinals. This All-Star Family Weekend is sponsored by VMS Detailing. If you would like to have the services, ceramic paint protection, graphene paint protection film, car wrapping, windows tinting, guard detailing, anything you want with regard to your
Yun daw
car.
po ang ating medal. Pwede pong isang la.
Ginto ba yan?
Yan. Opo.
Hindi, ang pinakamabigat dyan yung,
Yung pangalan.
tatak ng BMS.
BMS. Yan.
Car
Ito sila,
detailing,
special
BMS
detailing.
tayo.
Special thanks to Mr. Virgil Sinense.
Panista lang kasi 16, pero yung iba walang Thank you na lang sa iba.
Yung gusto nag-participate, thank you na lang sa iba. Na.
Then, Kuya Ran, thank you very much.
Wala nang
And
second. Okay na yun.
the photographer.
Alright, congratulations to all the winners and to the champion. Thank you very much, Sir Virgil. BMS, photo op.
Pwede pa paikot.
Alright, next time po next activity po ay yung All-Star Game. Alright, next will be the awarding for our 3-point champion. Woohoo! He will be given a trophy and of course a gold medal. First place. Actually, we can tag him with the 3-point king of the first Mighty Finance Western Sunday Basketball League Winter Tournament 2025. Congratulations! Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Woo! Congratulations! Very good one, 3-point king. May we call our magko-committee po for our All-Star Game so that we can start soon? Kim, Assistant Commissioner. Kuya Arnold, sino kaya magko-committee for our All-Star Game? Anyone? Yung mga nag-3 points, Anthony? Hindi, iba yung nag-all-star, iba yung 3 points. Kaya...
Yung isang, yung isang... Kevin, tawag ka ng magpo-committee.
Kevin, committee for the All-Star Games.
Parayno, bas Parayno. Ha? Hindi ba si Parayno? Maglalaro si Thanos.
Thanos, may we call on the team captains to please help us out. Be in charge of the committee of our All-Star Game. Thanos, please. Thanos. Woohoo. Thanos. Ralph. Thanos. Ayan si Thanos. Uy! Committee, Thanos. Anthony, committee muna, tulong muna tayo sa committee para makaalis na tayo. Ha? Committee, all-star pa eh. All-star. Committee muna tayo, tulong muna tayo sa committee.
Ay, magagawa.
Oo, committee. Pre, tulong muna sa committee.
Hihila ako.
Oh. We just would like to thank our sponsors for our tournament this winter 2025. Mighty Finance, a mortgage broker, connects borrowers with the lenders to arrange home loan. They can help with the mortgage process from start to finish, including finding the right lender, gathering documents, and explaining loan terms. AME, Education and Migration, professionalism and consistency of quality. The founder, Ruby and Janice, established AME with the goal of helping other students and clients from many countries. Triple R, Rideshare and Transport Services. Ride-sharing services, the driver takes you to your destination and pay them. VMS Detailing. VMS Detailing, Melbourne-based company, is your one-stop solution for all your car detailing needs. They offer a vast range of services designed to enhance the beauty and performance of your vehicle. Pañero Van Rentals and Auto Mechanic. Discover breathtaking destinations with Pañero Van Rentals, whether it's a scenic road trip, weekend getaway, or a guided tour of Melbourne and Victoria's best spots. Van Bebren Lawyers. Van Bebren Associates is Geelong-based boutique law firm with a compassionate approach to towards our client who can be dealing with some of the most challenging situations life can serve up. InvestLink, paying all your property, always deliver positive returns. While it's true most of the time, it certainly is an instant road to riches. They do research and only offer properties that satisfy your strict rules. Gilas Legends, which happened yesterday. So yeah, a group of decorated players were representing the Philippines men's national team at the Olympics and other International Basketball Federation Association. Like this all-star game between our all-stars of the 8 teams. For the second half, meron po tayong halftime show. Courtesy of Miss Maya G. Yeah. She's here now. Oh. Anthony.
Ako na lang sa timer.
Lista yung player, yeah.
Lista ng player.
Ano ka ba? Live?
Maglalaro ka?
Saan yung sa block mo, kuya?
Wala sa block. Sa last quarter na lang.
Last quarter na lang.
Para madali. Ano? Ay, saan ba? Ino dive. Ano ba yan?
Hindi ako magaling dyan. Madaya ko ba yan? Low. Habang nag-a-announce.
Sino yung ano ng light? Sino?
Ano?
Kevin, ano ka light?
Light.
Team captain.
JB.
Low. Pili ang hilaw. Amin ang hilaw.
Palista.
Galing na pinili mo, kuya. Butak pa. Bulan.
Anong pinili?
Yung pinalista mo daw, bulan pa. Sabi ako mag-score. Pero walang time. May time ba yan? 10 minutes, kuya.
Sound check. Habang nag-aantay, trivia muna natin yung ating mga commissioners. We have 1 commissioner and we have 2 assistant commissioners. Alam mo ba, Thanos? Yung assistant commissioner natin, yung 2015, lumating siya dito sa Australia. Yung previous na trabaho niya, seaman siya for 15 years in a chemical tanker ship. Mahilig daw siya mag-basketball and then na-meet niya si Kuya Randy. Eh ngayon, ngayon, assistant commissioner na siya. Thank you very much. Alam mo ba, kilala mo kung sino yun?
Ha? Sino? Oo.
Kilala mo yun, di ba?
Oo naman.
Ikaw mag-video play. Oh. Siya po ay walang iba kundi Kuya Arnold Gabriel. Papasalamat lang kami sa pag-organize mo sa team. Ha? At saka meron pa tayo isang assistant. Ito rin ay walang kapaguran na laging tumutulong sa pag-organize ng ating basketball. Siya po ay taga Kamaling Tarlac. Proud Lakay. Proud Lakay daw siya, pre. Ang work niya, mekaniko, they migrated to Australia 2019. May 3 siyang kapatid. Alam mo ba kung sino yung favorite na player niya?
Ay, no.
James siya. Number 15. Si Kobe. Tsaka siyempre si Jordan. Ito ang walang kapagurang assistant commissioner. Si Mr. Kevin Grosby.
Pre, bigat mo ka pala, pre? Bigat mo ka pala? Kotse, sakyan.
Eto na, habang nag-aantay tayo, dumako na tayo sa ating commissioner. Alright?
may lolo-loko sa akin ha. Ako mag-isip.
Pumunta siya, mag-migrate sila sa Australia 2007.
Ay, ha? Hindi mo alam.
Hello. Sound check.
Kabila. Dalawa kayo maglagay.
Hindi ka marunong ng play.
Ano nga ba to? Tanong na kayo.
Sound check. Nag-migrate sila sa Australia 2007. But before that, nagtrabaho siya sa Middle East for 2 years. And then he came back to the Philippines, naghanap ng trabaho, at nakilala na daw yung misis niya, yung kanyang better half, sa Shakey's sa Manila. Ewan ko kung saan dun. Pero, nag-move sila sa Singapore. And then, sumunod lang si Kuya Nao na si ate dun sa Singapore. May anak na sila dun 1 year. 1 year old. So from there, naisipan nila to find a better, what do you call it?
Pastures.
Greener pastures here in Australia. So they decided to apply here in Australia. They've got the PR. They moved her to Australia in 2007.
Really?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Nag-migrate sila dito. Eto na.
That's nice.
Madami niya na siyang na...
Ayaw ba mag-multitask? Ikot-ikot.
O si...
Uy! Sino mag-i-score?
Ako!
Wala i-score! Ito ako na mag-ano dito.
Kaya nga, ako na mag-i-score.
Oh, yan. Si Kuya.
Habang nagdadaldal dyan.
Dadaldal ko.
Tapusin ko muna yung ating commissioner. Ginugulo niyo ako eh. Yung commissioner natin, marami na siyang na-organize na sports. Specifically basketball. Ikaw pre, kuya. Gusto mo mag-assist? Alright. Sorry. And then, eto na. Eto yung first being commissioner niya. Mighty Finance Winter Basketball Tournament 2025. Ang ating butihing commissioner, Ron Ryo Rios. Palakpakan po natin ang ating commissioner. Oh yeah!
Okay, so we will start soon. So we gather, players just gather in front of the court, the center court. All players. So this is our very first All-Star Family Weekend, courtesy of our sponsor, Mr. Virgil M. Sinense of BMS Detailing. Okay, so just keep it clean. Walang sakitan, protect yourself, protect your opponents, protect your teammates, okay? And play hard and play smart. May the best team win. So ang ano natin is 4 quarters, 10 minutes each. Running time tayo sa first 3 quarters. Walang 24-second shot clock. 24-second shot clock will be on the last quarter, okay? And last 2 minutes is stop clock. We have 1 timeout for each quarter. Sa 4th quarter, 2 timeout you can take at any time. Yung first 3 quarters, hanggang last 3 minutes lang yung pwede nyong i-take yung timeout. Okay? Understood? Any questions? Technical pause? Any technical pause? Pag nakadalawa, you're out. Okay? Alright, let's... wala. Okay. Let's get ready. Let's get ready to rumble. Well, defending. On the white corner.
MC.
Pwede po, pwede.
Meron, kulang ng ano.
500 lang, 500.
Lalaro ka pala.
On the left corner, we got white team. And on the green corner, we have the dark team.
Weighing 145
Our officials, Mr. Ron. Jump ball between number 29 and number 8. Green. Start of the ball game.
Number 17, no good.
Good.
Nakuha ni Grospe. Grospe drives. Yes sir, 2 point, Mr. Grospe.
number 30, pass to Vivares. Number 4, pass to number 27. Nakuha ni, number right. Very good. Rebound by Grospe. Yes, sir. 2-point Grospe.
2 points.
Calusa drives. Same ball. Right ball.
Ayun line, pakiikot.
Grospe. Pass to Jamorant. No good. Rebound by Calusa. Calusa pass to number 30. We out. Right ball. Ang hirap pag-announce, walang apelido. For White. White pass to Grospe for 3. Yes, sir.
Good.
Triple made by Grospe. Pass to Vivares.
4.
Vivares. No good. Rebound by number 8. Yes, sir. 8's counted.
And 1.
Who's called with? Number 20. Number 29.
Right, number 29.
Counted daw. Number 8.
Number 8, ano ba yan? Leonard?
Bara,
First team foul.
counted.
Yes, sir. 1 point made by number 8.
Ilalagay pa rin yung mga foul niya. Wala.
Grospe. No good. Pass to Jamorant. Yes, sir. Points made by Jamorant.
Yan o, si long hair. Ano pangalan nun?
Ian.
Ian. Ano ka pinag Ian.
Del Mundo.
Del Mundo. Ang hirap kasi wala ka pinag karamdar eh. Ha? First half.
Grospe for 3. Yung kilala eh. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 21. Drives.
Albert on the drive.
Yes, sir. 2 point, Mr. Number 21. Albert. Mr. Albert. Intercepted by Ian. Albert, I mean. Number 8 drives. Pass to Vivares. It's a foul.
The foul.
Who's called it? Del Mundo. AKA Jamorant.
Second team foul for White.
PBA boses nun ah. PBA mo yan. Gulat ako dun ah.
Basket.
Gulat ako dun. Counted.
Basket counts. Derek.
Last throw. Early jumpers. No good.
Second
Pass to Kevin Grospe.
Kevin.
Pass to Ian.
Pass to Ian. Pass
Grospe drops.
by Kevin.
Yes, sir. 2 for Mr. Grospe.
Substitute.
Vivares. Del Mundo. Binababa bola. Okay, no good. Rebound by Grospe.
Kevin.
No good. Rebound by number 21 Albert. Pass to Vivares. Libre. Yes, sir. 2 point made by Vivares, number 4, Vivares.
From Gilas Legend. For 3, yes sir.
3 points.
3 points.
Pass to Calusa. No good. Rebound by number 8. Yes sir, 2 points.
2 points.
Number 8. Number 8. Alan, no good. Rebound by number 8. Pass to Calusa. Pass to number 30. Yes sir, number 30. 2 points. Alan, pass to Del Mundo. Pass to number 29. Yes sir, 2 points, Mr. Number 29. Calusa. Drives. Yes sir, basket counted. This one what?
Substitution, ref.
Sino yung foul? Number 29. Number 29. 2 personal foul. Substitution.
Tumututok ka dito.
Ay sa'yo, tututok ka rin.
Tutok mo sa mukha niya.
Sa akin pa na nakatutok yun eh. Dapat yata dito na lang yun eh, para dalawa eh.
Yes sir, 1 point. Number 17, Calusa.
17. And the basket's good.
Nanat.
Crossing.
Looking for teammates. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number Mr. Arnold.
Pass to Francis. Pass to that guy.
Yes sir, 2 points.
Oy, number mo!
Number 30. Yes sir, 3 point. Number 30.
Arnold. No good. Rebound by Vivares.
Pass to Albert. Pass to number 8. Same ball.
Yan. Pre, ano pangalan? Ano pangalan nitong...
Ni Pogi. Yes sir, number 8, 2 points.
Number 9, Nanat. Yes sir, 2 points. Mr. Nanat. Number 9.
Pass to number 8. Number 8.